Hi guys, today I will show you how I prepared a flip book for kids, a really sweet book that you can prepare for young children. You can actually adjust it to any level, but I'm going to give you an example for younger students because it's very simple and short. So I have the cover page here and I have the actual book with images and of course a text. So I'm going to show you how we can generate the actual text and the images and how to give it the look and feel of a flip book. All right, ready? So how would we start? First thing, we go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI text generator. We open an account and we can start by saying, write a short story for English as a foreign language learners, EFL learners in Israel, young children, ages, let's say 5 to 7, with basic CEFR A1 or pre-A1 level. The story should have about 10 to 15 lines or sentences, and you give it a topic. Let's say the topic is a super girl meeting animals. Okay, so we have some difficult words, perhaps flu, maybe. So I can say simplify the words now I can say make all the words in the present tense. Why? Because I want it to be in the present tense since I still don't know the past tense. Great. So now we have a nice story. Now we want to generate images. So I'm going to go to Canva. In Canva, I'm going to press on create a design and I'm going to say presentation. I'm going to go to images or magic media. Magic media should be at the bottom here. If you can't find magic media, just go to your apps. You see the apps and search for magic media. Now I'm inside magic media. I'm going to go to the first scene and just see. One day, Supergirl flies over the forest. She sees a rabbit. Hello, rabbit, she says. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to generate an image of a Supergirl next to a rabbit in the forest. So I'm going to write Supergirl in a suit in the forest. I'm actually going to give it a style. I want it Pixar style. Pixar is a style of movies, style of animation. Pixar style Supergirl with a suit in the forest talking to a rabbit. Now I'm going to give it a seed number, so I'm going to write seed 10400. Just making up a number and I'm writing seed. This helps sometimes to keep the image of the girl, the image of all the images inside, in the same style or look the same. Okay, so hopefully the girl will look the same throughout this book. So I'm going to write seed Supergirl. That's it. I'm going to click generate and I can either do a square or a landscape image. I'm going to go with landscape for now. Okay, I got 4 images and I picked the one with the brown hair. Next time I will simply add brown hair to it, to the prompt. Next scene. Hello girl, can you help me find my carrot? Yes, I can help. She flies and sees a big lion. Hello, lion, says Supergirl. Can you help me find the carrot? The lion says, yes, let's look together. So now I need the girl to be with lion. So I'm going to go here. I still have my prompt. I can leave the seed number. And I'm going to say Pixar style image of a 10-year-old girl, Supergirl with a suit, in the forest talking to a lion. Okay, now let's generate. Okay, now I have this image. I'm going to place it here. Let's see the next one. Hello bird, can you see the carrot? The bird said, yes, it is near the big tree. So now we need the girl talking to a bird. Now what I can do, talking to a flying bird. So I have this photo right here. I got it from all the options and I'm looking here. Yes, it is near the big tree. So now we need a carrot next to a big tree. Pixel style image of a carrot next to a big tree. I'm leaving the seed number. Alright, so I'm going to pick this image of a carrot. And for the last scene, I wrote Pixar style image Supergirl with brown hair, one rabbit, one bird, one lion smiling with a carrot next to a tree. And I got really, really nice photos. Some are a little off. This one is nice. Yeah, I have a bird. I have a rabbit. I don't have a lion here. What I can here. Okay, what I can do is I can add a cute bird. I can select the image. When you select it, you know there's purple around the image. Then you click edit image. You click magic edit right here, magic edit, and you brush over maybe here, and I'm going to write a cute bird and generate. It's going to generate a bird for me. So there are a few options here. This one is cute. I'll go with this. And done. Now my image is complete. So all I have to do is just add the text from the story. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to add text right here. Choose heading. Move it to the side. I can change the color. Now I have it black. And I can paste the exact sentence. She flies and sees a big lion. And that's the sentence that goes with the photo. In here, I'm changing the size of the font because it's a children's book. It should be very, very big. And now I got it. And this is what I do for everything. Okay, so I created a cover page and I have the first page, second page. As you can see, I've used Magic Edit to add the birds. Here I used Magic Expand to expand the image, and I also added an element of a speech bubble. So I can have those little speech bubbles in my story. It's a lot of fun. And now I've added my cover page. I'm going to click on it, edit image, and do Magic Expand. This is a premium feature, whole page. So you do need an educational account or a pro account to expand the image. Okay, so I have 4 options. I'm going to choose maybe this one. This one is cute. And then done. And now I can add, using the text or special text right here, I can add the title. So maybe I'm going to choose this one. And I'm going to give it a name. A line to the left. And I have a nice title here. Now that the book is ready, I can click on share, and now I can do see all. I'm going to choose the book option, which is called Hazen. I'm going to look it up. Here, Hazen Flipbooks. Save. Preparing. Then when it says that it's ready, you can click View in Hazen Flipbooks, and it's going to direct you to Hazen Flipbooks so you can see what it looks like. Eventually, it's ready. It's just a really nice flipbook. And what we can do now is share it with people or save. So I can click Save, Share, Link, Copy. And now that when I send it to my friends or to my students, it will look like this. It will be very big, or even they can do a whole page. So it looks very, very cute. So I hope you like this tutorial and make wonderful flipbooks for kids and enjoy it in class. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like. Bye bye!